All right, something a lot of you can relate to. It can be easy to boil over, but the key is to reduce your stress level. Tonight, 39's Matt Robbins is showing you how to keep your cool before you have a mental meltdown.
What stresses you out? Is it Houston traffic, work, the economy? Life coach Ned Rios tells us how you can tell if you're too stressed out.
So some signs of stress will basically always show up in your body. You'll have aches and pains in your neck. People will get migraine headaches. Some people get lower back pain. And for everybody, it's different.
The stress for Abby Boyd is the overload of work grad school puts on her. She comes to the gym to try to get a break from it all. Can you tell when you're stressed out?
Yes. I can definitely tell when I'm stressed out. I'm not as efficient at what I'm doing, and I just lose focus and get frustrated really easily. And so I definitely know when I'm stressed out, and I definitely know when I need to take a break.
Life coach Ned Rios says if you find yourself in a stressful situation, remove yourself, sit down, and just clear your mind for a second.
People are really concerned about what's happening in the economy and what's going on and some of the uncertainty, but I think it's important to realize there's certain things that we can control and there's certain things we can't control.
So if you can't control it, you have to learn to manage it in some way or another. Take, for example, Jack Porterfield.
I'd hightail it down to Rockport and fool around with the boat and fish a little bit and walk on the beach and maybe go up to New Braunfels and ride the river and come over to the wellness center and work out.
You have to find some way to manage your stress, because you may be stuck in this one day and just lose your mind. Live well, live healthy. I'm Ed Robbins for 39 News.
All right, if you need help to reduce your stress, you can log on to 39online.com and click the Go button. We have a link there where you can contact a life specialist at Memorial Hermann Hospital.